Yoga teachers, close the thesaurus. You may be using some fancy words, I call them $5 words, too much. These evocative words carry a big punch when you use them, and they are really useful, but only when deployed about once per class. The problem comes when you start to rely on the word and use it multiple times in a single class, at which point it quickly draws attention to itself. Think of words like unravel, slice, or float. Each of these highlights an action you want your students to take or feel. But after one use, replace them with unwind, reach, or lift. These $1 words are more digestible for students. Want more advice like this? Check out the Professional Yoga Teacher's Handbook. It's available wherever books are sold, in paperback, ebook, and audiobook formats.